Good afternoon, everyone. David Paul speaking. I'm looking at VectorVest USA, and the general market is not showing a very pleasant sight. As you can see, the color guard is saying the market is mildly bearish, and VectorVest does not advocate buying stocks at this time. Very good advice. However, there are some stocks that look really interesting, and one in particular is SGH. Now, I've traded in this stock a few times over the last 6 months. It's growing earnings. We expect earnings to grow at 50% over the next year. It's trading at $40. We believe it's worth 83. And relative value, which is a measure of the price appreciation potential over a window of 3 years into the future in relation to a AAA rated corporate bond, is excellent at 1.75. Relative safety at 0.88 means that it's a share that should only be considered for adventurous traders. Anything less than 1 shows that it's a young company and there have been ups and downs in the past. However, the chart looks really interesting, and this is the chart in my normal format, folks. There's the price, obviously. The green line is the VectorVest valuation. As you can see, the valuation moving away from the price as earnings per share drive strongly up the page. I've drawn a support line. And the share has pulled back to support. It's also pulled back to previous resistance, and it's my experience that when these two things come together, the market makes a decision. Stochastic is right down in the buying area. The share is currently on a hold, and I don't think there's anything to do until 2 things occur. One, the hold changes to buy, and secondly, the advice from the front page of VectorVest moves and says that VectorVest advocates buying safe undervalued stocks that are rising in price at this time. So certainly a share to keep your eye on. I've had some great runs in it there, and if those 2 things come to pass, I shall be having another go at it. Thank you very much. Bye now.